Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying two essentials: carrier support and iOS currency. First, make sure your carrier allows Wi-Fi calling and your plan permits it. This matters because some carriers restrict the feature. Once done, update iOS if needed. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, because newer firmware fixes vote IP stability. Then connect your iPhone to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Without internet on that network, Wi-Fi calling won't work, so pick a network with demonstrated access. Now enable the feature. You open Settings, tap Phone, then Wi-Fi calling, and toggle Wi-Fi calling on. You'll be asked to confirm or enter an emergency address. Provide a physical address for accurate 911 routing, because cellular location may not apply when using Wi-Fi. After you confirm, your carrier may re-register your device if the screen prompts or if calls don't route. Restart your iPhone to force a fresh registration on both the carrier and local network. Finish by verifying functionality. Place a test call and watch for the Wi-Fi calling indicator on the status bar or call screen, which confirms routing over Wi-Fi. If audio quality is poor or calls drop, toggle airplane mode on and off to rebind only to Wi-Fi, and then test again. Sometimes the router needs a rekey. If Wi-Fi calling still won't activate after 24 hours, contact your carrier with account details. They may need to enable provisioning on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.